Hi, I'm Capri Lilly, and welcome to the Good Food Baddie channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make one of my favorite post-workout meals. It's my absolute favorite, my guilty pleasure, and honestly, it's such a treat. It's my protein-packed acai bowl. Acai bowls are my absolute favorite. Doesn't matter the time of day, breakfast, lunch, or dinner, doesn't matter. And the special thing about my acai bowl are three things. One, it takes less than 10 minutes to make. Two, there are no added sugars. The sugars come from the fruits that we use. And three, it's packed with tons of nutrients that aid your body in recovery after your workout. I know you all know the importance of consuming protein and carbs post-workout and the need to consume them within 30 minutes after your workout in order to help your body successfully recuperate. If you didn't know that, no worries. Check out my website. I have an article written all about it, and it even gives details on how to calculate how much protein and carbs you should consume after your workout. So I will share my recipe for this incredibly nutrient-rich acai bowl topped with tons of superfoods, and I'll even give you some insight on each of the ingredients as we go along. At the end, I'll share my favorite protein powder and why I love this protein powder. So, stay tuned. First, add a frozen acai packet. Now, add 1 cup of frozen blueberries. Now I'm adding my healthy fat, avocado. Then add maca. Maca is derived from a root and naturally gives energy and does not have the same effects as coffee. Then I'll add my almond butter, which is rich in protein, healthy fats. Now I'm adding 2 scoops of my favorite protein powder. Last, add 1/4 cup of organic almond milk. Now I'm adding my toppings. This is my favorite part. You can add whatever toppings you like. Here I'm adding Goji Berries. They're an amazing superfood packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, good for healthy skin, blood sugar, and immune support. Now I'm adding flaxseed, hemp seeds, and chia seeds, which are rich in protein. And last, coconut shavings, which are high in fiber, iron, and potassium. I use Bulletproof Collagen protein. It's by far my favorite. I've tried many and I absolutely love this one. It has the same amino acids that can be found in bone broth, and it's also a collagen protein, which means it supports healthy skin, bone, and joints. The biggest benefit of collagen is that it supports skin elasticity, which means it gives us the glowing skin that we want. I think the 2 best things about this protein are, 1, it has 22 grams of protein per serving, and 2, it does not have a taste. That's very important to me because I do not like the taste of protein, and I like to mix my protein in various things, whether it's a shake or whether it's a protein bowl or whether it's an acai bowl. And I think this protein is great because you can never taste it. So this is my favorite protein. I'd love to hear what yours is. Share with me in the comments below. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. I post videos weekly, and I hope to see you next time.